lion is the king of the jungle. How can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheat. He can't be the smartest. So he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality. That's the only difference of a lion and an elephant. When a lion walks up and sees an elephant, he thinks lunch. An elephant thinks run. And it's all mentality. Because when a male lion walks up, he may be outnumbered by a pack of hyenas, but I'm king of my jungle because of my mentality.
Killa B, a name that resonates with power and rhythm, was put to the cross. The Mozo Empire, including the Silver Bullet, Black Blingers and Playboy, thought they had quelled a rising storm, but they were gravely mistaken. Killa B was not extinguished, he was merely transitioning, embarking on a journey that would redefine him. In the face of adversity, Killa B did not falter, he did not crumble. Instead, he ventured into the unknown, the ethereal spirit realm, a place uncharted by most, feared by many. A realm where the physical body holds no sway and the mind reigns supreme. Here, Killa B sought power, strength and redemption.
Father, what have I done wrong for they crucify me like that? But Father, I want to go back. I don't want to go back as a human, Father, because humans are very wicked. I want to go back as a lion.
My son, your wish has been granted.
Bandsman.
Hakuna Matata.
Ali Powers Road. 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 I'm the lion in the jungle. All of I do hunger, the lion. I'm the lion in the jungle. When I start to hunger, all of I do hunger because I'm the when the lion tell them no papi shop. When the lion when I start to run, all I do come on up. When the ready lion roar, tell them I know what we show. When the ready lion roar, our mentality, our mentality. We don't give up. Our mentality, our mentality. You know me? Good night, Soca, man. Good night to the judges again. Good night to the minister of Kayak and Diplomatic Affairs. Good night to Mr. Bobby Steele. And most of all, big up to all Killa Preformance inside here right now. I don't come to waste no time. I see them make all their run so, and they make all their run so. You know what I want to do for me? Point the judges stand. If everybody judges stand. Point the judges stand. We go by the judges stand. One, get ready. Two, get ready. 1, 2. I love to see that. I want them to come forward with vengeance now. Lion, don't be giving them. And it up to 4. Get ready to go. Are you ready? 1, get ready to come back. Get ready to come back. I see a cow come up on top here and he say he rage. What color is rage? Red, right? Tell him get the language right. And I don't know what I'm also celebrating this year. Somebody tell him, get back. And let's say that get back, get back, get back, get back. You know me? You know me? Drummer, walk with me. Drummer, walk with me, yeah? Well, then listen to me carefully. One drop, eh? You know you is a baboon, but say you is a gene bull. So when you start to form up, that is when I wake up. What happened to Pepper Bullet? Somebody tell him to shit it. And I want him to know right now. A lion will rule any day over any cow family. I'm the lion in the jungle. When I start to hunger, all over to hunger the lion. I'm the lion in the jungle. When I start to hunger, all over to hunger because love me. All the things I done. This lion is in full swing tonight. Listen me. Because when you take this for fun, but I'll celebrate him done. Last year when they prong him, he know that while I beat him. But he said that cannot happen. They have to come and beg pardon. Tonight I'm teaching them something. I'm not leaving this place tonight until they go and keep coming. I'm the lion in the jungle. When I start to hunger, all